Hey guys, today I want to show you this Sprayway glass cleaner here. So one of the highlights of this is that it is totally streak free, but you want to try to do it in a certain way. So you want to use one to kind of buff it out and a dry one behind it. So it sprays on like a foam here, as you can see. I'm gonna get a nice coating and then I'll start to rub it off, and it also smells incredibly good. So there we go. Now I'll come through with a wet one and really just buff out anything I see, and also feel. If you feel any kind of raised areas, then that's a good sign that there's something there. So I'm gonna just go over and do the whole thing, and then we're gonna come back with a dry one here. Sometimes it's hard to see if it's on the inside or the outside, but don't worry. If we do both, then we're gonna ensure that it's clean everywhere. So now on this area, hit it with your dry towel, and don't be scared to flip it over to get an even drier side. And maybe only do a small portion at a time, so it's not drying on the other side while you're doing one side. So there's that. Definitely check it out, guys.